C minus C naught. Then only this integral will become del C del x minus 0 is something like that. Then you take that side to get this del x del C. So minus 0, that means the lower integral, lower limit should be C naught. So we mentioned C to C naught, that was wrong. It should be, which is there in the book, in the Burke's book, C to C naught, that is, I think that is wrong. It should be C naught to C. You remember that. And when you, so the expression was like that, minus, so ultimately the expression is, so lower integral is C naught, upper integral is the C. Upper limit of the integral is C.
So what is a plus sign?
No. What I am saying that in the book, from the derivation, if you note carefully, it should be like lower limit should be C naught, upper limit should be C. Okay. Then if you want to measure, when you will go to measure that this is negative term, time is positive.
Yeah.
So either of these you will get negative. When you will take your x and c direction in a particular positive directions, you will like coordinate system, right-handed screw system. If you use that, then your one of these will be negative, one of these will be positive. So ultimately the full thing will be positive. Okay, so that is one mistake I found. And second mistake was while talking about the Mattano interface, what is the definition of Mattano interface that was told? It is the plane or interface across which the, if you have that composition profile, the shaded area should be equal. That is a correct definition. Also XDC, which means mathematically X is 0 to C naught, so concentration is varying this side, this is distance. So X can go, you can choose any direction. So XDC 0 to C naught, XDC equal to 0. That is that plane, that is the Mattano plane, which divides the composition profile in such a way these two shaded area are equal. All these definitions are correct. But while talking about that, I also mentioned one line from the Burke's book which is not correct. The statement was, across that plane the net flow was 0, net flux is 0, which is not correct. Okay, so that's what I wanted to mention. And also in that figure of Burke's book, which I will be sending just after the class, the chapter to you, I drew from the book one figure, I think figure 3.4, it was mentioned, I first drew that the original plane, I said, then that was a Mattano plane. Mattano plane definition is this, that is correct, but if your volume, molar volume changes linearly with composition, that is the ideal behavior. If that is the case, then the original interface, the original position from outside, that is your Mattano interface. If you put marker, after some time that marker may go here. So that the after some annealing time, where the marker position, that is the Kirkendall interface. So that is the Kirkendall plane. So this is Kirkendall plane, and the original fixed, if you from outside the fixed plane, that or the fixed interface, which you may not find out experimentally, that is the Mattano, across which these areas are set. But at that point the curvature may not be 0, curvature of this profile. usually if no porosity is developed or molar volume changes linearly with composition, then the curvature will become 0 at the Kirkendall point, Kirkendall plane. Kirkendall plane is the marker movement plane. Wherever you put marker, with time that is moving, because of more atomic flux this way, less atomic flux that way. So when atoms are moving this way, vacancies are created, and so those atoms goes and creates a new lattice plane. Here vacancies are going. If there were such type of sink, then vacancy will come here and that length will be lower, and ultimately one of the lattice plane will vanish. So some of the lattice planes will vanish this side, some of the lattice planes will be created this side. So effectively the marker, even though you put at the original here, now it has moved to here. So that is the Kirkendall, but original one was maternal.
Can you repeat the definition?
Which one? Definition of maternal?
Both maternal and paternal.
Definition of maternal interface is the interface across which, if you see the composition profile, these two shaded areas should be equal. Or mathematical definition is this one. Kirkendall interface is that plane after certain time of annealing where the marker position is. That is the Kirkendall plane. So these are the two things I noticed is not correctly mentioned in the Burke's book, which I followed in the last class, and I am telling you to be careful while reading. One is this: limits to the integral should be C0 to C, because this minus that when you into integral, so this minus that, so the other side should be d dc dx at C minus d dc dx at C0. dc dx at C0 only, it will be 0. So d dc dx at C minus d dc dx at C0. Then at C0 only it will be 0. So you can make it 0 because it is becoming flat. So you can make it 0. So you can take this one, this equal to that integral. Then you are moving this to this. So it is becoming dx over dc.
So then the limit should be changed. Because
Yeah, limit should be this one.
no, sir, if we're taking the both sides C0, C to C0, then that side also C is from C to C0, not from C0 to C.
Both sides I am taking C0 to C. But you did not get it?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay, let me put it as it is. What I am saying that d dc dx this type of equation was there. Okay, so we took integral at both sides. The limits were, in the last class I put C to C0 based on the Burke's book. It is written like that, but what I am saying that I realize that is not correct. It should be C0 to C. So that correspondingly here also it will be C0 to C. That means when you do this integral, it is d dc dx at C minus d dc dx at C0. At C0 only your profile is, while reaching at C0, then only it is flat. dc dx is 0. So when you do this integral, d dc dx at C minus d dc dx at C0. So this becomes 0. Okay, then you take this dc dx to that side to get it dx dc. So the limits, instead of c to c naught, I think it would be c naught to c. It would remain same, minus 1 over 2t, all these things will be remaining same. But when you will do that, you will take actually measure from the profile. If you take the right directions of x and c using the right-handed screw system, your to do this integral, here dependent variable is x and independent variable is c. So if you take proper directions, then you will see one of these will be negative, either this or that, either that integral or the slope. Whether you take this type of profile or whether you take this type of profile, if you maintain your xc directions properly, then you will see either of these will be negative, so d tilde will be positive.
Sir, in the expression, the integral limit c is a concentration at the Mathano plane.
That c is any arbitrary concentration, at any arbitrary concentration. That's what we found out at this type of profile, at any arbitrary. So this is your c axis, this is c naught. At any arbitrary concentration, say c, if you have to find out corresponding d tilde, what you need to do is take this one, slope. You have to have a Mathano interface from which your x will increase, your c is increasing this way. So this is your curve in that c versus x. So at that particular point of c, you have to find out dx dc. So this is that slope. From this slope you can find out dx dc, and you have to find out the integral from c naught to c. So c naught to c. So this, if you take c naught to c, so this slope is in this space, this slope is positive. But c naught to c, your x is decreasing. So it is minus of c to c naught. Minus of, so that means this minus of area under the curve. So that's a negative term. So negative term multiplied by the positive slope is a negative term, multiplied by minus 1 over 2t is a positive term. So d tilde is positive. In the last class, we came to this part that we talked about this. D tilde is the chemical diffusion coefficient. We talked about tracer diffusion coefficient or self diffusion coefficient, and we came to this DSC, which is intrinsic diffusion coefficient. Intrinsic diffusion coefficient is if you sitting on the lattice plane, the fundamental driving force is the chemical potential gradient. Under that chemical potential gradient, if the atom diffuses, corresponding diffusivity of a particular component is under that gradient is given by intrinsic diffusion coefficient. So intrinsic diffusion coefficient of component A under chemical gradient. C for under chemical gradient. So this is intrinsic diffusion coefficient, where we will put superscript C for our class to denote it is under chemical gradient. To make it different, to make it look different from the tracer diffusion coefficient, where we are not putting any, where it is a homogeneous alloy if you do. Now we came to this equation that it is equal to mobility multiplied by kT, then the thermodynamic factor 1 plus DLN del ln gamma A del ln XA. We derive this one till this much. So we can write for the B component also mobility. What is mobility? Velocity of an